more easy engine mods that you can do. For some reason in these cars they put a sound tube here that goes all the way to the cab, which pumps in sound into the cab to make the car sound louder. So we will be deleting that today with a Blowfish sound tube delete kit, which you can get on American Muscle for $10.99, which involves this, which is for your firewall to block the hole, and then this tube will go on the top of that to block that off, and then you can pull this big ugly tube out of your engine bay that will clean your engine out big time. And luckily, a very easy job. All you need is some pliers to push this, move it down, and a 10mm bolt. So it's very easy. You use pliers and you pop this off. So now this is open, and then you will take your 10mm here and unscrew that. Pull that out. And then so now this gets pulled off. This you can slide off here. And then here in the engine it goes down to there. You can't see, but you just pop that off. That comes up. And now and then you just push this off here. It's like a tabby thing. And you pull it out. So now you basically delete all of that, and that's for nothing. So then you take this, here you can see the hole. You take this and you put it there. So that blocks the hole, so you have no hole in your firewall. And then you take this and put that on first, so it blocks that hole. And then you go like that, you screw it in, and that's what the finished product looks like. Just a lot more open, less cluttered.